Most people think AI is just for tech giants, but in 2026, it's quietly creating side hustles that pay more than many full-time jobs. The catch? These opportunities are hidden, fast-moving, and almost nobody knows about them. Those who find them early can turn a small effort into serious income. In this video, we're revealing little-known AI side hustles that are paying big this year, how they work, and how you can get started before the trend explodes. Before we get started, if you want to see where AI is quietly creating wealth, hit subscribe. This is where the future of earning gets explained. AI automation consultant for small businesses. Small businesses are drowning in repetitive tasks, but they don't know where to start with AI. That's where you come in. You don't need to be a programmer to help local restaurants automate their reservation systems, help retail shops set up AI inventory management, or assist service providers with automated appointment scheduling. The average consultant is charging between $1,500 to $5,000 per project. The best part is you're using existing AI tools and just connecting them together. Business owners will pay premium prices because you're saving them dozens of hours every week. Start by reaching out to businesses in your area that are still doing everything manually. Show them one simple automation, and they'll want 10 more. Custom AI chatbot developer for niche industries. Generic chatbots are everywhere, but specialized ones for specific industries are gold mines. Medical offices need chatbots that understand healthcare terminology and AIPAA compliance. Law firms want chatbots trained on legal procedures. Real estate agencies need bots that can qualify leads based on specific property criteria. You can build these using no-code platforms like VoiceFlow or BotPress, then train them on industry-specific information. Clients are paying anywhere from $3,000 to $15,000 for a custom chatbot setup, plus monthly maintenance fees of $500 to $2,000. The secret is picking one niche, understanding their pain points deeply, and becoming the go-to person for AI solutions in that space. You're not competing with tech giants because you're solving very specific problems they'd ignore. AI video restoration and enhancement services. Old family videos, historical footage, and vintage content are being brought back to life with AI, and people are paying handsomely for it. Using AI tools like Topaz Video AI and DaVinci Resolve with AI plugins, you can upscale old videos to 4K, colorize black and white footage, remove noise and grain, and even enhance audio quality. Families will pay $300 to $1,000 to restore their wedding videos or childhood memories. Businesses and content creators pay even more for commercial restoration projects. Marketing agencies need old commercial footage updated for modern campaigns. Documentary makers want historical clips enhanced. The work is straightforward once you learn the tools, and the emotional value to customers means they rarely negotiate on price. You're not just improving video quality, you're preserving memories and giving new life to irreplaceable moments. AI-powered data analysis for e-commerce sellers. Amazon sellers, Shopify store owners, and e-commerce entrepreneurs are sitting on mountains of data they don't understand. They need someone to make sense of their sales patterns, customer behavior, and inventory trends. You use AI tools like Julius AI, DataRobot, or even advanced ChatGPT plugins to analyze their data and deliver actionable insights. Tell them which products to stock up on, when to run promotions, which customer segments to target, and where they're losing money. E-commerce consultants doing this work are charging $1,000 to $5,000 per analysis report, with many clients signing up for monthly retainer agreements of $2,000 to $8,000. You don't need a data science degree because AI does the heavy lifting. You just need to understand e-commerce basics and know how to ask the right questions. The ROI you provide is so clear that clients practically sell themselves. Voice cloning for content creators and businesses. Content creators and businesses need consistent voice content, but recording everything themselves is exhausting. Voice cloning technology has gotten incredibly good in 2026, and there's huge demand for ethical voice cloning services. Podcasters want their voice cloned so they can generate ads or corrections without re-recording. Audiobook authors need narration in their own voice without spending weeks in a studio. Corporate trainers want training modules in their voice without recording hours of content. You can use platforms like ElevenLabs, Descript, or Resemble AI to create high-quality voice clones. Services are charging anywhere from $500 for basic cloning to $5,000 for premium packages with unlimited generation rights. The key is operating ethically, only cloning voices with explicit permission, and delivering quality that's indistinguishable from the real thing. Position yourself as the ethical choice in a market full of questionable operators, and clients will trust you with premium projects. AI prompt engineering for businesses. Many companies are using AI tools but struggle because they don't know how to write prompts that get good results. That's where prompt engineers come in. These specialists craft precise instructions that guide AI to produce high-quality, consistent outputs. You can create prompt libraries for marketing teams, sales departments, customer service, or content creators, tailoring them to each team's goals. Even small changes in wording can turn mediocre AI results into professional-level work. Businesses recognize the value. They pay $1,000, $3,000 for a complete prompt library, and many hire prompt engineers on retainers of $500, $3,000 per month to continuously refine and optimize prompts. The role involves understanding the business's needs, experimenting with different prompts, analyzing results, and documenting the best-performing instructions. It's entirely skill-based work with almost no overhead costs. Your knowledge, creativity, and time are the only investments required. With AI becoming more central to business operations, expert prompt engineers are in high demand, making this a lucrative and future-proof opportunity. AI-generated personalized children's books. Parents want unique stories featuring their children as the main characters, and AI makes this possible at scale. You use AI tools like Midjourney or DALL-E for illustrations, and ChatGPT for storytelling to create fully personalized children's books. Each book features the child's name, appearance, interests, and even includes family members or pets as characters. Parents are paying $40 to $150 per book, and grandparents are buying them as gifts constantly. You can set up a simple website, automate most of the process, and fulfill orders in under an hour each. The profit margins are incredible because your costs are minimal after the initial AI subscriptions. Some operators are doing 200 to 500 books monthly, bringing in $10,000 to $50,000 in revenue. You can expand into birthday books, educational books, or books that teach specific lessons parents request. The emotional connection parents have with personalized content means they share it everywhere, giving you free marketing. Side hustles aren't a gamble. They're opportunity meeting preparation. Those who act early reap the rewards, and the window won't stay open forever. If this gave you new ideas, like, subscribe, and share it with someone ready to earn in 2026.